In this video, we will disassemble a Webasto Airtop 2000 ST air heater. We will first remove the outer casing. You should only need a flathead screwdriver for this step. Start with the end caps, followed by the removal of the upper section, the rubber grommet, and then the lower section. On the lower casing, spread the sidewalls apart to release the guide pins. The identification tag includes the following: model of the heater, serial number, and the year it was installed. During installation, remove one of the corresponding year of installation labels. This will aid the end user for warranty coverage. To remove the fan, use a flathead screwdriver to spread the locking gears and lift up. The Hall effect sensors measure fan speed for optimum comfort and combustion. Next, we will remove the control module. Disconnect all the connectors to the control module. It's important to note, all the connectors are keyed and can only be reinstalled in the location that they were removed from. We will use the T15 Torx bit to remove the control module retaining screws. There are 3 retaining screws to remove. Lift up on the control module. To remove the combustion fan assembly, we will use the T25 Torx bit. There are 5 retaining screws to remove. It's important to note not to set the fan assembly on the fan side. This could alter the set position for proper airflow. Discard all gaskets after disassembly. It's important to note that you should not reuse the original gaskets. Note the orientation of the glow pin wire retainer. This prevents contact with the combustion fan. To remove the burner assembly, we will use the T20 Torx bit. There are 4 retainer screws to remove. Be sure to push the glow pin wire grommet through the housing before removing the burner assembly. For ease of removal, use the flathead screwdriver to break the burner assembly away from the burner tube. To remove the glow pin, we will use the 2mm Allen wrench. There is 1 retainer screw located on the burner assembly that we will loosen. To remove the temperature sensor, gently pry up underneath by using the flathead screwdriver. This concludes the disassembly of the Airtop 2000 ST heater.